My name is Lauren Gaw, and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. My friends over at Green GTA sent me some more of their Heal tincture to try, and this one has the blueberry terpene add-on. I wanted to play up the blueberry flavor profile of this tincture, so this week we are making some CBD Blueberry Granola. It's loaded full of dried blueberries and coconut flakes, and if you've never made granola at home, it's actually super easy. We are basically just going to mix our ingredients together and shove it in the oven. So let's get started. First, in our mixing bowl, we are going to toss together our oats, brown sugar, salt, and cinnamon. Then throw in your dried blueberries and coconut flakes and make sure it's well incorporated. You can also substitute the blueberries and coconut in my recipe for a different dried fruit, or you can use nuts. Making your own granola is kind of like the kitchen sink. You just throw in whatever ingredients you want, and it usually always turns out great. Now, in a small saucepan, heat your coconut oil, honey, and granulated sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Remove it from the heat and then add your vanilla extract and your CBD oil. The amount of CBD oil that you add in your recipe is going to depend on your particular oil's recommended dosage, so don't forget to check that on the box. Now pour your liquid mixture over the oats and mix it together to make sure everything is evenly coated. Spread it out onto a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper and bake at 300 degrees for about 25 minutes or until your granola turns golden brown. I also like to rotate my baking sheet halfway through, and I don't like to mix my granola while it's baking because that's going to break up any of those large chunks of granola. Here is our finished CBD Blueberry Granola. This granola goes great on top of yogurt or with some milk and some fresh fruit, but right now I'm just going to eat it with a spoon. This granola is sweet and crunchy, and the dried blueberries really play up the blueberry CBD oil that I'm using, but you can also use an unflavored CBD oil, or you can substitute some of the coconut oil in this recipe for cannabis-infused coconut oil, and then you will have some THC-infused granola instead. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description section below. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.